This 2020 Newmar Ventana 3717 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features a Largo Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 5, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, Slideout, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, self-contained, smoke detector, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Newmar Ventana 3717 is built on a Freightliner XCR 360 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.